In today's class, we will learn about how to construct a inscribed triangle, square, hexagon, octagon, right? It could be pentagon, inscribing inscribed in a circle. That means inside the circle, if we have to construct a hexagon or triangle or square, then how we will do the construction, we will learn today. Okay. So first, what we'll draw, we'll draw a circle. Suppose it is a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So what we'll do first, we'll measure the distance 3 centimeter, and we have to construct a equilateral triangle inside the circle of radius 3 centimeter. So this way we have constructed the circle, right? We all know how to draw a circle. Once we have drawn the circle, now what we'll do, how to construct equilateral triangle. Now we know that the equilateral triangle are of 3 sides and all the sides are equal. So when 3 sides are there, an angle at a point is 360 degree. So for constructing equilateral triangle, we divide this 360 by 3, we'll get 120 degree. All right. So this way we can do. This is another way of doing it. Okay. So just draw a small circle here. All right. And we can fix one point. We'll mark one point. Say this is the first point. We'll start from here. Now we have to make two 120 degree angles. So what we'll do? Let's make 120 degree angles. Let's mark the arc of 120 degree angles. So using the protractor also you can mark the arc of 120 degree angle. I am not using protractor. I am just using this compass. So this is 60 degree angle. We mark another arc. That will be 120 degree. So 120 degree angle arc is bigger. Again, mark an arc of 60 degree angle, smaller one. Then one more 60 degree angle, it will be 120 degree angle, right? This is right. So this is the bigger arc is 120 degree angle. So when we join these lines from the center, if we draw these lines, this point and this point, if we draw a line joining these 2 points and meet the circle at this point, right? So this will be the vertex of this triangle, like this. Now when we join these points, we'll get the equilateral triangle. All right. Join these lines. Let's join another line. Now you can see that a rectangle, equilateral triangle has been obtained. And if we measure the sides, all the sides will be of same measure, right? You can see like this, all the sides are of 5 centimeter. All right. Now let's learn how to draw a square inside the circle. So again, we'll draw the circle like of say radius 3 centimeter. Okay. Now what we'll do, how to draw a square. You can see this is the center. Draw a straight line which is the diameter of the center joining the 2 points of the circumference. So this is the diameter. So at the center we can draw a 90 degree angle, or we can bisect this line. So whatever we'll do, we'll get the another diameter. So suppose we are bisecting this line, one arc from here, one from here, then from this point again if we draw 2 arcs like this, right? Now you can see that we have got the arc, we have bisected the line, we just need to join this point of intersection of the arcs. Now we got another diameter. So these are the vertices of the square. If we join these points, we get the square. Alright children. Let's measure the sides. 4. This is also 4. This is also 4. And this is also 4. Alright, so this way we can construct a square using inscribing a circle. Inside the circle we can construct a square. Alright, please note down this much first.